How we doing, YouTube? Your boy Eardrum Assassin. Today we're going to be changing out this cheap $55 Valor chain for this expensive EK chain. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we have here, YouTube, is I cheaped out on this chain. I just wanted to see how good it actually is for the $55. I'm not too impressed. Pretty much all the reviews I've heard are fairly true. I've heard a lot of reviews about the chain chattering. It definitely chatters a lot. I've heard about the chain stretching like a lot within the first couple hundred miles. It's done that an incredible amount. I've had to adjust it twice in, I don't know, in less than 150 miles. So I went and bought this EK chain, which is a much better chain. It's also green, which is cool. And we're gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you how. So we're gonna get rid of this cheap chain because I honestly don't trust it. We're gonna install the EK chain. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grind these rivets off so we can pop off the link. And then we're gonna tie in the EK chain to the cheap chain and run it through. We're gonna move the axle up some too, move the whole wheel up forward so it shortens the wheelbase. It should wheelie better. What I'm gonna do now is take my grinder or my grinding wheel. I'm gonna grind off those rivets. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tap out this other half of the master link like so. Just like that. We're gonna pull this apart. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook the new chain onto this after I move the axle forward. So now you can see that I have the chain cut to length. I'm just gonna put the master link in, put the O-rings on, and I'm gonna show you how to crush it. So I've gone ahead and assembled the tool, keyed it up to press, not hit the rivets, but push them through the master link, the outer link. And then we go back with the rivet tool and we smash the rivets. But this is basically just lining it up and smashing it together. And when it's smashed together enough, that's when you crush the rivets. That the master link is pressed. What I'm gonna do is change the dies on the tool to crush the rivets. So I've gone ahead and crushed them. This should be good. If you guys want a good look at it, that honestly should be good. I shouldn't ever have a problem with that. So what I'm gonna do now is take a marker and I'm gonna mark these. So when the chain's spinning, I can see it quicker, know where it is. And there's also quite a bit of slack in the chain. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust it probably to the next line. So guys, off camera, I went ahead and adjusted the chain, tightened everything down. I just got to fold out the cotter pin. I'll spin the wheel so that you can see how, see, there it is right there. You can see it automatically as you're spinning the chain. That should be plenty good enough. This chain is a lot better. It's so much quieter compared to that other, whatever kind of chain it was, I forget. I'm not even gonna say the name, but it was totally cheap and not worth the money. So just make sure you guys spend good money on a good chain. I think this chain cost me about 180 bucks. It's supposed to be the best of the best. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, guys. Like and subscribe. Peace out.